How to use Groke AI image generator in 2026. To get started, you'll need an Active X Premium or Premium Plus subscription, as image generation is currently a pro tier feature. Open X on your mobile device or desktop and tap the Groke icon. It's the / button in the center of your bottom navigation bar. Once the chat interface opens, ensure you are using the latest model, Groke 4, by checking the model selector at the top. To generate an image, simply type your prompt starting with a command like generate an image of, or draw a, followed by a detailed description. Groke will provide 2 unique variations in seconds. If you want to make changes, you don't have to start over. Just type a follow-up message like make the lighting more dramatic or change the background to Mars, and Groke will edit the existing image for you. Here is an expert pro tip. Groke now features a spicy mode and a regular mode. While spicy mode allows for more unfiltered and humorous creativity, if you're looking for the highest quality artistic output, switch to regular mode and use specific camera terms in your prompt, like 85 EMM lens, cinematic lighting, or depth of field. This tells the AI to prioritize professional photography aesthetics over social media stylization. Now you're ready to start creating and sharing AI art that stands out. If this tutorial helped you unlock your creative potential, hit the like button and subscribe for more 2026 AI guides. I'm curious, what's the first thing you're going to ask Groke to draw? Let me know in the comments.